Hello, this is our third day of NTI activities. So today we are going to be subtracting multiples of 100, and our game is Countdown 400 today. So to start with, we're going to warm up by counting by tens. We're going to start at 109. Don't put that and in there. Miss V just made a mistake. So we're going to count from 109 to 219, and we're going to do it by tens. Okay, are you ready? So from 109, you go to 119. 129. Let's stop right there for a second. If you're having trouble, um, you could use the hundreds chart. So if we're starting at 109, you could still use a regular hundreds chart to help you. So we would say 109, 119, 129, 139, 149, 159, 169, 179, 189, 199, 209, 219. So this would be a nifty tool if you need it. Then we're going to start from 67 in our number. We're going to go from 367 to 417. So we would say 367, 377, 387, 397, 407, 417. So this is on our Google site. So if you need this, don't be ashamed. It is okay to use tools that you need to help you. So if you need this, it is there, and make sure you grab it. That's why I put it there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to explain this game to you. And what you need is you're going to need dice, but on your dice, you're going to need the numbers 4 to 9. So I took my regular Yahtzee dice and I just put painter's tape on top, and I changed the numbers to the numbers that we need. I did it with both of my dice because I'm not at school, and so I can't get my wooden dice and add the numbers that I need. So I had to make it. So I just took regular old dice. I put painter's tape on it, and I put the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 on there. And you are going to need your Countdown 400 record sheet and the dice. That's what you're going to need today. So, how this is going to work is we're always going to start with 400. Okay, that's what we're going to start with to practice today is 400. And what you're going to do is you're going to take those two dice and you're going to roll them. And Mrs. V got a 6 and a 5. So I'm going to say 400 minus 65. Okay? So on my countdown from 400 record sheet, that's what it's going to say. It's going to say 400 minus 65. And again, this line underneath it is your number line, and you see there's a 400 on the end. So we are going to use that number line as a strategy as well as our standard algorithm strategy. We're going to use both. They are both a strategy, okay? But what I want to make sure that we're doing is understanding both. So if you have any questions, make sure to send me an email and I will get back with you. I can also set up a Zoom meeting with you or a Google Meet meeting with you to help you through it if that's what you need. And I'm okay with that because I miss seeing your beautiful faces. So let's start with our number line. So we know we're going to go backwards from 400 and we have to go back 65. So how do we do that? Okay, if you can count by 50s, awesome. If you can count by 10s, awesome. However you need to do it, that suits you best, I'm totally okay with. Here's how I'm going to do it. I know that 400, that the midway point between 400 and 300 is 350. So I'm going to go back 50 to 350, right? Okay. I'm not quite, I didn't take away 65 yet. So I took away 50. I'm going to go back another 10. So 350, go back 10 is 340. And now I need to go back 5. Well, I know that 5 less than 40 is 35. So if I go back 5, I'm going to be at 335. And that is my answer. My answer is 335. Okay? And I know I'm done because I have 50, 65. So I went back 65. So my answer is 335. And that is how it looks on the number line. Okay? Now, if I were doing the standard algorithm part, it would look like this. Remember, HTO stands for hundreds, tens, and ones, and I start in my ones. If I don't have any tens or any ones, can I subtract? No. So what I have to do is go to my hundreds place. Okay. I need to take 100 away. That leaves me with 300. So I'm going to take 100 away and I'm going to be left with 300s. This 100 I'm breaking apart. How many tens are in 100? Correct. That would be 10. So Mrs. V is drawing out our 10 tens because we have them now that we broke that 100 apart. Okay, so now it looks like this. All right, how many tens do I have? 10. So I need to show it over here that I have 10 tens. Can I subtract in my ones yet? Do I have any unit cubes over here? No. So what I need to do is I need to take a 10. And so when I take a 10, that 10 tens now becomes 9 tens. How many ones make a 10? 10 ones make a 10. So we need to draw out our 10 unit cubes. And it would look like this. So I don't have 0 ones. Now I have 10 ones. Can we go ahead and subtract now? Are my bigger numbers across the top? Yes. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Cross that many out at the bottom. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then I don't take away any hundreds. So my answer is 335. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you do it the standard algorithm way. This is what it looks like when you do it the number line way. Okay, so you are going to do the dice with the countdown 400 record sheet with your parents or your sibling or a friend or whoever. You're going to roll the dice. You're going to make your 2-digit number. You're going to subtract it from 400. And then you're going to do that on the number line by going backwards by tens and ones. And or you're going to do your standard algorithm. Okay? Make sure to send me a screenshot or a snapshot or something of that sheet. And then your independent practice is subtracting multiples of 100 version A. And what I want you to do is I only want you to pick 6 of these. And I want you to come up with either a PowerPoint or a Google Doc, slide, whatever, and send it to me with you completing 6 of these. Remember, only 6 of these. That's all I want you to do. You could do it by using the number line strategy, the open number line, or you can do it by the standard algorithm. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you for our next lesson. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.